What you can also do is you can prevent other people from downloading or printing out the report that you see right here. So to add that level of security, you can go around onto the share option right here. And then once you go around onto share, you can see that manage access is an option right here. Once you go around over here, you can see that there's two options. So you can prevent editors from changing access and adding new people right here. And you can also disable downloading, printing, and copying for viewers. So once you do that, if you have turned on the link sharing, and if they were to actually view out your report from that particular link, then they won't be able to download, make a copy, or let's say print out the report just like that. So you do need to turn on your permission, which adds a layer of security so that the report does not get copied out in a certain extent. So that is how you can disable downloading and printing reports inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.